Here, we need to extract the maximum number in a given string. So in the string, there will be a number. Okay, people will give the number. So consequent number. Okay, so suppose you see the number means this is the number, right? And then this is the number, and then 365. So out of all these numbers, which one is the maximum number? That you need to extract it. How can you do that? Okay, so let's start that. So how can we extract those numbers? Again, so we can use so character class concept we are using, and this is a very simple logic is here that is very important. So you need to remember this logic. Okay, I will tell you that. So public return type method we are writing int extract max number in string str. See system.out.println first print the original string. So declare two variables. One is a number variable and a result. So these are the two variables you declare. So iterate the string using normal for loop. So for int I equal to 0, I less than str.length I plus plus. That's a common thing, right? And get the character. Okay, get the character. Each character you get from the string. How can you do that? Char c equal to str dot caret of I. So caret method is a common method we are using, right? So that one. If see character class we are using. If character dot is digit, if this character is a digit, then what I'm doing? I'm adding up that number. So number equal to num multiplied by 10 plus c minus 0. So ASCII code again here. So num multiplied by 10. So num initially is 0. 0 plus c minus 0. Whatever you do, that will store here. So c is a character ASCII code. You're so removing from this 0 ASCII code. So that will store here. If, for example, if it is not a digit, okay, if it is not, this character is not digit, it will come to else spot. So update the result of, so with a result equal to, so here math.max result comma number. Then reset the so number value to 0 again. So num equal to 0. Then return math.max result and number. So this is the how you can achieve this extracting each number one by one. So if you want to see step by step, just take this example only, run in debug mode so that you will get where the cursor is going, what is the value you're getting, and easily you can understand. So that's how you can do that. If you want to do understand the program, run in debug mode always. That will give you a lot of confidence to you. Okay, yeah. Okay, so the last program, get length of last word. Get the length of last word. So you give the, so any sentence maybe more than one word, that last word length you find out. How can you find the length of last word in the given string. So this one, system.out.println, original string you print, declare the length as a 0. So you are finding out the length. That's why you declare that variable as a 0. Trim the spaces. Any spaces are there, trim it. So str equal to str.trim method. So that all the spaces we are removing. Iterate the string from last. Iterate the string from last. For int I equal to 0, str.length minus 1. That's my initial value. I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay. If str.caret of I equal to empty space, then break it. Else, you increment the length by 1. If there is no space, so just increment the length if one word is there. So that's the simple logic you can build it. So these are the two programs, but we know. So all these programs, just I'm showing the logics. Okay, you need to understand what they're asking in the interview. So interview, they will ask different questions. Not necessarily you will get the same, or you may get also same programs. But each program, just practice. And first know how to solve the program is first understand the program and derive the steps, step by step. And then call all the methods one by one. That's how you can find out easy solution. So the last one, just see this. See string s5 equal to this one we have given exact max number in the string. So I just call that count characters. This one we didn't, we haven't done yet. Okay, let's do that. See this. So in this, the bigger number is 564. And original string is welcome to Java strings. And length of the last word. Last word is strings, right? This length is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a last word length we found out. And let's find out this. So each character occurrence, last one, character occurrence, we need to find out. This on the top it is there. Yeah. So count characters. So you need to count each character occurrence, you need to count it. So this is basically, string. You give the any string. So where you want to find each character occurrence. Then take the second step, the frequency. So take frequency is a numbers, right? That's why you take one integer array, create one integer array with this length, s dot length. So we are creating one integer array for frequency to store the frequencies. And so first declare one variable. Okay, if it is already so visited, just say -1, not visited at. The -1 means not visited at. For int I equal to 0, iterating the string again. I less than string dot length I plus plus. Int count equal to 1. Okay, so we declared the count as a 1. So I'm assuming that count is 1. So again another for loop. In j equal to second one, I'm counting second one onwards. So I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1, j less than s dot length and j plus plus. If s dot caret of I is equal to s dot caret of ij, increment the count by 1. So to avoid counting same element again and again, what I am doing, so frequency array of j, so this one, so the same one, right, is visited, I am saying. If it is the same value is already counted, we are avoiding that. So that we are telling, okay, fr of j is visited, so leave it. Then if fr of I is not visited, that, so assign the count value, this count value to fr of I. So then I'm just printing that. So element and the frequency, which element, each element I'm getting int I equal to 0 and I less than frequency dot length I plus plus. If fr of I is not visited, and get the character of I, so from the string, and then frequency of I. So frequency of I means the integer array, right? So that value it will print. So this is how you will get A 3 times, B 2 times, C 1 time, and D 1 time. So this is the another, so the kind of programs they might ask. Okay, so with all these programs are taken from interview questions, different companies they asked. Some of all these programs are asked in the interviews, and but they might ask different programs also. We cannot give a guarantee that, but maximum these programs are so asked. So main important is palindrome. Simple. If he wants to just check your program logic, he will give palindrome. Check given string is palindrome or not. So reverse a string. So that simple programs, if they ask, we are lucky. So you can easily answer them, right? Those are easy programs. If he goes beyond that, and yeah, we have to try. So don't so hands up. Okay, just try it out. So that will help you a lot. And a few more programs we'll write in the collections during map, how to find occurrence of each character. So then another way also I'll show you that. This is the one way, right? Another way also I'll show you in the using map concept. We'll do few more programs in the collections. Okay. Any questions?